Method 1. Delete the Easy Anti-Cheat file. Open File Explorer. Go to your C drive, then Program Files, x86. Look for the folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. Open it and find the file easyanticheat.sys. Right-click and delete or click the trash icon. If you can't delete it, try restarting your PC and then delete it again. Method 2. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click on the game you're having issues with, for example, Throne and Liberty. Click Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until it reaches 100%. Method 3. Close background games. If you're switching between games that both use Easy Anti-Cheat, one may still be running in the background, which can cause this error. Open Task Manager. Make sure all previous games and Easy Anti-Cheat processes are fully closed. Then try launching your game again. If none of these fixes helped, or if you just want your PC and internet fully optimized for gaming, I highly recommend trying Exit Lag. It helps reduce ping, improve stability, and can fix game connection issues. Try it out and let me know in the comments if Exit Lag worked for you. You can save money by using my link in the description.